Oh my.
No, this is. He's gonna regret this. You know.
Yes, he is.
He's not gonna be happy. He's gonna hate himself that he ever did this. But I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be happy. I cannot wait, dude. I cannot. I'm excited just thinking about it. No, you have no idea how sweet this revenge will be. He's going to regret this so bad. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hey Chris, how do you feel about me? Tell me everything right now. Sit in this chair. No, sit in this chair. Sit in this chair. Here we go. He's going to explain absolutely everything. Okay, just. Oh dear.
Well, you're pretty.
You're all
You
blurry.
punched me in the face.
You're like, oh.
Wait, this is blurry. Oh dear.
And
Oh dear.
you love me, I love you. We're gonna marry, date first, of course.
You're gonna marry.
We can still date. We're gonna marry, and we can still date when we marry. But we're gonna turn 52, and
How many kids are you gonna have?
we're gonna have 7 by the time. But when we're about
are you gonna
70,
name them?
if we still live by then,
Just
then
listen to him.
we're gonna have 28.
Whoa, that's disgusting. Whoa, well, I'll have fun with that, Taylor. Now, Chris,
And
tell her, I can't speak. Tell her everything that you think about her face and her hair and
well, her hair
every detail.
is colored, straight, and she has beautiful eyes, beautiful lips, especially I want to kiss those.
Oh!
And a beautiful nose, nostrils, boogers in there. Oh.
Whoa!
And teeth,
Don't forget the boogers.
teeth, a tongue, a
It's
mouth,
very important.
pimples,
Oh. Whoa!
eyes, the pupils.
Pupils. It's called pupils.
Yeah, the eyebrows, eyelashes, the eye pretties, the moles, that pretty face.
Aw, how cute.
That pretty face.
That pretty face.
Can't wait to kiss that cheeks of yours.
Aw, how cute.
Disgusting, man.
The other cheeks I'm talking about.
Say, tell me what he said. I wasn't here.
Stop
Say it
the
again.
video there.
Say it
Stop
again.
the
Wait, say
video
it again, say it
there.
again. No, shut up.
I can't wait to kiss those cheeks of yours. The other kind.
I just spit everywhere. No, you did. That's really nasty. Oh dear.
Oh, honey.
Okay. Okay. No. You know,